Calvin,
Yes.
Calvin,
What?
guess what?
What?
I think I've cracked it.
No.
I have cracked the most amazing trick you will ever see in your life. And this will get me, it won't just get me on Britain's Got Talent, this is going to win me the Britain's Got Talent.
I don't...
Honest, bruv. Honest,
Really?
I've done it, I've cracked it. Look, I've got people coming to see.
Brad and
Brad's
Sam,
here.
Big George.
Sam's over there.
Sam's there.
They've all come and watch this magic trick. This is the one.
He's levelled up.
This is the one.
Right,
He's
what are we
levelled
doing?
up.
Right, I am going to attempt, and
Yes.
I've never done this before.
Right.
This is my first go, but I know it's going to win me Britain's Got Talent.
Right.
Not just get me on it, win it.
Win it.
Right, I'm going to go into my van, the
Yeah.
back of my van.
Yeah.
I'm going to get Calvin to shut the door.
Yes.
And then I'm going to disappear.
Where are you going to go?
That is the surprise. If the magic trick works, that will be the surprise.
It's like a big game of hide and seek. Have we got to find you?
No, this is all. I'm going to get in the van.
So this is magic in here.
Yeah, it's going to make me disappear from in
Hurry
there.
up, get in then.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Right, all I want you to do, Calvin, is shut the door on me.
Right.
Right. No trapdoors underneath, so I can come down underneath. People will think I'll get underneath.
And how long do I care? How? What?
Just
We
get
literally
in the
just
van
shut.
then.
Well, as soon as you shut that, I'm gone.
Bang, done, go. He's in, shut it. Bang.
Matt. Matt. Where have you gone?
Calvin! Calvin, yes!
No.
Yes, brother!
How did you?
It worked!
It worked.
Yeah! How did you get on there, man?
No.
Yes, bro.
No way.
Come on, bruv!
You have levelled up. I can't really see you.
Britain's Got Talent!
Matt.
Cal, come
That's
on,
so high.
come underneath, look.
Wait. I can't believe this.
Magic!
How did you get out the van?
Magic! Magic! Yes!
There is no way you could have climbed up there either.
Yes! How'd you do it, Cal? Come on! Yeah. Come on, brother!
Right.
Do you line?
Don't try and work it out. There you go, there you go.
What do you think about it?
I think that was marvellous, actually. I could never have known how that was done, to be fair with you.
neither.
The trickery that went in that trick was marvellous.
Who's lost his hat?
We even got Peter Kay with us. Right, you all right? You want to help down?
Alright.
Mandy, where'd you get that rug from?
I'll tell ya. Remember when it was in the skip?
I know a man who had a rug like that.
Yeah, but where did it end up?
In the skip. It's in the back of your van now, isn't